What we're going to be showing you here is one of the features of Windows 7, which is called Windows Moviemaker, Windows Live Moviemaker, and it's really, really easy to use. Do you want to? Have you loaded up the app yet?
I think your drive is, it's dead. Basically, it's dead.
Really?
Yeah. But guess what? We have a backup copy of it. We have a backup copy of his photos, so we are going to use that.
Oh, don't you have all the bases covered, huh?
Yes, of course,
Great.
I need to.
Okay, so he has the pictures already, I guess, pre-installed. So then you go to all programs right here down by the taskbar, and you click on Windows Live right here. Under there, you go to Windows Live Moviemaker, which opens up this application. From there, you can go up to the top of the screen and add the videos and photos that you want to make your own video right there. So right there, he's already got my Windows 7 pics right there. I'm going to just pick them all, make it easy for him. Jabez, I don't want to hurt you, So I've got some pictures of me, from the race, from other projects I've done in China and around the world too. So these pictures are here right now, and then all you have to do is pretty much, you can take your time and do it manually, or you can go to this special feature here called Auto Movie, and just click on that. And that will pretty much do everything for you right there. So you want to add the music right now too. Try some songs. Let's pick one song, yeah? So voila! It's done pretty much. So now you can do is just play, and you can let's see. So it pretty much adds all the transitions in for you. You can obviously change the title yourself, and this is something you can send to your friends. It can be a little special gift that you can give to your loved ones, or I can throw it up on YouTube and stuff too, right? You want to show them how easy it is to put on YouTube?
Sure. So once you have the file saved, right, what you can do is just click on the YouTube link up there. Once clicking on it, just log into your account. Right? And on signing in, you'll be able to type in the movie title, go with it, text, and you'll be on YouTube. It's that simple. So the next thing is you can also export it into HD format, in a high definition format. So nowadays televisions all are in HD format. So it will be best that if you want to actually view the video or on your home TV, export in HD format. You'll be good.
Yeah, obviously your source has to be in HD also. It can go all the way up to 1020 pixels and stuff too. And it just makes it so easy. A lot of people say, I don't really want to make any photos or make any movies with my photos and videos because it's so complicated. But Windows 7 makes it all so easy now though too. Pretty much no one has an excuse not to make a simple slideshow with transitions, with rendering. It saves you all the time because I myself personally do a lot of show reels, whether I'm working here or in Hollywood and stuff too. But this makes it very professional and very clean without having to spend all those hours that a computer editor would have to do also. So you can pretty much do this, share it online, with the entire world with YouTube, or export it on a very high res or even on a smaller res. Let's say you want to email or something too. So this is just showing you one of the fun and easy things you can do with Windows 7 right here too, using Windows Live Moviemaker. So right now, Jabez is kind of just showing you some of the different transitions you can do now too, changing it around with the pictures that I preloaded and stuff right here. Obviously, if you have time, you can kind of play with it along too. You can lengthen the transitions, shorten them, pick different types of fade-ins, fade-outs, change the titles. You can even take the pictures and make it sepia, black and white, negative, positive. You can do a lot of different things. Is there anything you want to add, Jabez, to the Windows Live Moviemaker?
Yeah, dude, you have all of it covered.
Oh, I do? Oh,
yeah.
Good. I know my stuff. Even the better thing about it now, too, I think, with Windows 7 is, no matter where I am, if I'm in Singapore, if I'm in China, if I'm in the States, Windows 7 allows me Microsoft Remote Media Streaming. So what this means is, let's say I'm looking for a file, or I'm looking, let's say, for videos, photos, movies, music I don't have on my netbook. As long as I have my netbook set up with my home network, which, I guess you're the first group, that should be over there at Eunice's, I think, in lifestyle scenario, you can access it from wherever you are, as long as you have an internet connection. So essentially, you want to show them how easy it is, I think, to use.
Yeah, why not? So once the living room has shown you how to create a home network, all you need to do next is to basically, click stream and turn on media streaming. So what this function will do is it will allow you to access your videos, pictures, movies from your home PC as long as you have an internet connection over here. So as maybe you could be in Beijing, China, maybe Hong Kong, in China, Singapore, you get my point. So you could be so far away, but as long as you have an internet connection, you are fine. You can just get your files automatically through Windows Media Player. So once over here we have like maybe 2 videos over here. The first video is actually stored over at the PC. So for the second video, it's actually stored locally. So what I need to do is just to double click on it, to run it, or to play it. So based on the bandwidth available on my internet, you actually scale down or scale up on the quality of video. So what do you think? It's awesome, right?
It's totally awesome, James.
Yeah, man.
Too. So no matter where you are, let's say if you forget, you need some additional music, you need to access any information from your home, you can get it from anywhere in the world. And that just shows you the connectivity and how easy it is to stay connected wherever you are with Windows 7. I think, why don't we show them the Windows Phone special feature? So another thing is, let's say you're somewhere where you can't access the internet. What do I do? Let's say either I don't have Wi-Fi or I don't have internet connection. As long as you have your Windows, 3.5, 3G phone, you can turn that into an internet modem, which is called, the technical term is called tethering, or it's pretty much piggybacking. Because sometimes it's great to have a phone that has 3G, but it's just a lot easier to use a netbook. We have some great new netbooks out there from all these, great sponsors and partners with Microsoft. So you want to show them how to go about with the tethering or with the piggybacking, I like to call it?
Sure. All right. So basically, what we are going to do right now is to use this phone as an internet modem. So by doing this, we can actually allow the laptop to be able to go online. So how do we do it? Basically, it's very simple. Just click on Start. Again, this is the latest Windows mobile phone. Alright? Click on Start. Just scroll to the bottom. Under Utilities, you're going to find Internet Sharing. I'll select it. Right. And over here, we have 2 connections that we can establish. It's either USB or Bluetooth. So let's say, for example, you have to go online and you have forgotten to bring your USB cable. So you actually use Bluetooth to connect the phone to the laptop to enable you to go online. So basically, I'm going to show you a very simple few steps on how to turn this phone into an internet modem.
So in a nutshell, I think what Davis is also trying to convey to me is just, with Windows 7, regardless of where you are outdoors, it just makes life a lot more fun and easier and stuff though too. Maybe a little too easy. Sometimes I'm thinking maybe I'll have no excuse, to send, updates of where I am to my wife and kids and stuff too. But regardless, it makes it a lot easier now for you to not just, worry about getting internet access, because you always have the convenience of having internet no matter where you are, being able to access all your files, all your, media from wherever you are too, and also produce new stuff, make new, very professional home videos regardless of where you are, and send it back home and share it everywhere too. So,
thank you, Alan.
Okay. Okay, yes, that's me. Thank you. Yeah.